Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Fusion and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list, right here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages at the top and tap on system languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it. I will pick Turkish. Just tap on it, and as you can see, this language has been immediately applied to this previous list. However, the English is still a main one, so all we have to do right now is to reorder the languages. So tap on the language and drag it to the very first position, and now your device will ask you whether you want to change it. So just tap on change. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me do it again. Tap on change. And here we've got English. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the language right here and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.